Hi, in this video I want to teach you about Binance Exchange referral link. If you want to find out from where you can find your referral link of your Binance Exchange to invite your friend using referral link, you can find it here. Open your Binance Exchange and go to this button and click drop down and find the referral. Click here and you will see a referral page invite. You can read everything here about commission. Up to 40% commission Binance is paying to the person who is inviting other friends to join Binance Exchange by creating their own accounts. Okay, here you can see your referral link list. You can create multi referral links for different friends. Yeah, for example, if you want to use your previous Binance referral link, you can use here. These are related to your account. Okay, and if you want to create a new referral link, you can generate your link from here. Click this one and successfully your new referral link successfully created. Copy this referral ID. Here is the referral ID. You can just simply copy anyone you like to send your friend to join and create account on Binance account. Simply copy and paste on through WhatsApp or through email address you want to join your friend. Okay, this is your referral ID. Hope you understand about referral link on Binance Exchange. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and share with your friend to connect with each other for update new videos. Thank you.